Guys, how are you? In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create star trails in your mobile phone. Yes guys, you can now make star trails in your phone. Go to the Play Store and install the app called Star Trails and open that app. Go to the Play Store, search Star Trails, open that app. Now click on the pick images button under the permissions. The pick images icon and select those pictures that you have taken and select them all and just click on the right button. Hope for the best. Something is happening. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Last night of the new year captured. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just 20 seconds, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It took me 1 hour straight. Final result. Let's go. GG boys. Finally. Finally. Let's go. Sit back, relax and see what happens next. You can see some process happening in the app and your star trails photo is being merged. While your star trails photo will be ready in just few seconds. And if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and tell me in the comments what I do next.